is a baby's most powerful means of survival.
And again. 1, 2.
When we look at those big eyes, tiny lips and noses, even their large foreheads, scans have revealed the nurturing centre of our brain lights up, and our hearts melt. It's such a powerful urge that pets have evolved to mimic these features. That's why we find them all so utterly irresistible and will care for them no matter what. But what does a baby make of a puppy like this? Well, scientists are discovering what it's like to experience the world through a baby's eyes. And the results are not what you might expect.